Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to another Pure Sound. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2018 BMW X3 M40i. This thing is so much fun to drive and it sounds incredible, especially when you put it into Sport Plus mode. If you've seen my in-depth review, the link is in the description below. You already kind of have an idea of how this thing sounds, but for this video, I'm going to give you an in-depth look with different angles, inside and out, and even a cold start, so you can really see what this thing is all about. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start off with that cold start. Now let's go ahead and compare that to starting it up at normal operating temperature. Let's get to some rev clips. I'll have a few different perspectives inside, at the engine, and at the back. Now before we wrap things up, let's go ahead and get a bunch of driving clips. you enjoyed the pure sound of the 2018 BMW X3 M40i. Again, if you'd like to learn all the ins and outs of this vehicle, the link to my in-depth review can be found in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed already, be sure to. There's always a lot more where that came from. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like below. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.